So we're going to be looking at a drop landing off a box. So we're going to be looking for the common error, which is the valgus to the knee. So when they're getting ready into position to jump off the box, you want to make sure feet are shoulder width apart, they have hands on the hips, and then they're just going to step forward with 1 foot off the box. And then when they land, they want to bend their knees so as if they're coming into a squat, and try and make as little noise as possible on the landing. But the higher you are, the more noise you want to make. So whenever you're ready, drop off the box, Brian. And so the first exercise we're going to be looking at is just the banded knee pull aparts. It's just a good one to help push the knees out and get them out of doing that valgus position. So you're going to get the athlete feet shoulder width apart and just drop down into a squat. And then, so you can do it one leg side at a time, or you can do it both together. So if you just want to do 3 with your right leg and then 3 with your left leg, and try not to let that foot come off the ground. It's going to try and come up on the inside of the foot. And then you can just do the two of them together then. Yeah, perfect. Alright, so the last exercise is similar to the last one. So the athlete is just going to be doing a squat again, and the power band is going to be pulling them out. So you can either have that tied onto a rack, or someone can be holding it. And then they're just going to be feet shoulder width apart, and they'll be going into a squat. And then the band is just going to be providing resistance that will be pulling them laterally, which will stop. Obviously, it would help it from going into valgus if that was the athlete's issue. And just have to watch with the foot trying to come off the ground again if it's pulling you out. And if there's not enough tension on the band, then you just have to step away from it a small bit more. And then obviously do the same then on the other side.